Okay, Vul Hub. Kanta. This is a machine we have to download, and I just upload in my virtual box. Let me first show you that where we can find the download link. Okay, it's a Vakanta machine. They have some task. It's also DHCP enabled. 3 flag 1, flag 2 root. Okay, and we have to enumerate everything. Let me show you that it's a DHCP. I know that. And where is the download link? Yeah, it's a downloading. You can download with the torrent, or you can download your IDM. Okay, I have already downloaded, and I already upload to my virtual box. It's a OVA file. Let me go to this folder. Okay, let's start virtual box. I have already uploaded the file, and we have to change the network to bridge, then only we can easily get the IP address. That's why I did this. Okay, everything is fine. Just enter. It will take some time. If you have more than 8 GB RAM, you can use a little bit fast. I have only 4 GB, that's why it's a little bit slow. Yeah, okay, done. First I have to find the IP address of a victim machine. I am using ARP scan -I for interface VLAN 0 -L for list of host. Yeah, we find the IP address 1.15 is that victim machine, and also we can use net discover option to find the victim. Before, yeah, see, where is that machine? Yeah, same MAC 1.15. We can use two different methods to find the victim IP address. First of all, I'm using nmap to the starting enumeration, nmap-sc-sv, the victim IP address, and also I will just do nmap script scan script vul IP address. Same thing, if any have anything vulnerable, the nmap script will find. We got a 80 port open, and also SSH RCB. SSH we have 333 because SSH default port is 22, but here we can use a 3333. Okay, no problem. Then I'm using drip to find the which folder there is any folder is in this website. Showing admin backup index.secret. We can able to access this folder. Let me go to this browser. Type 15. Okay. Here is it's nothing. I think so just create is Madou MAMADOU. Okay. Source code we got nothing. I'm just trying to source code. Yeah, here is some hint href something. It's maybe it's LFI vulnerable, I think so. Local file inclusion. Let's check with other files. Admin, nothing. Source code, nothing. Let's check with backup, nothing. Let's check with secret. Let me check with the shell. Nothing. Maybe index.php. Yeah, there is same page. We got that LOI file, right? Okay, let me try with this one. Just copy, just paste into my URL. Let me enter. Yeah, you can see that changes in it's French, I think. If we enable en, we didn't get anything, but if we enter f, or we got something. Maybe it's a LFA vulnerable. Let me find which one is working. PHP, LFI, PHP, shell sheet, I think so. Sorry for my internet, it's a little bit slow. Okay, let me go to there are many LFI vulnerabilities. Let me filter option. Let me try this one. Just copy this code. PHP filter wrapper. Okay, let me copy this code. If the page is vulnerable, we get username list. And let me check this one. I think it's not vulnerable. I just try to change some editing. Maybe it's index.php. We should enter index. What is in the index.php? We got base 64 encryption code. Just copy this one, and we have to decrypt it. Echo code. Oh my god, what happened? I just copied the full thing. Let me edit. Just copy the only base 64 only. Just copy all. Let me paste it. Echo. What happens? Not good. Okay, yeah, this is the code. And pipe base 64. -d for decrypt. Yeah, we got index.php file. What is in the? We got anything interesting? Yeah, I think it's showing some password. We got a password. Yeah, I don't know what is this, but we got a password, and we need a username. Maybe a creator, I think, author. Yeah, here it's showing author MAMADOU, Mamadou. Okay, let me try to log in with SSH with this username and password. Just go to SSH. MAMADOU at 192.168.1.15. The port is changed, -P 3333, because this SSH is changed. Default is SSH22. Here they change the SSH port. Okay, just enter. Let me enter the password. It's not working. Let me copy again the password. Done, but we got a mission, but it's a Python shell. I have a code for getting a reverse shell. Input pty dot spaw spam front bracket pin base. Just enter. We got a shell. Yeah, we got a MAMADOU mission. Now let's find root. I think this user don't get a root access. Let me enumerate something. Cat bash history. Here do you see linenum.sh file. You see that you saw that, right? This file contained. If we run this file, we can enumerate if any vulnerable. It will show that maybe the kernel old version will show that file. Just run this linenum.sh. It will take some time. It's 10 to 20 seconds. You see that I think we got a lot of things. I think you have to go through everything, then only you can get a privilege escalation. Let me start. What is this? The kernel version is 3.16. I think it's up to date. 2018 7/14, 2 months back, but maybe it's updated machine. It's a Debian. Maybe it's kernel not vulnerable. we log in. Okay, that's it. It's showing nothing. Let me guess anything interesting. I think we got another user, DevOps. Yeah, okay. Maybe we should try to get a DevOps. Okay, is there any other thing? We got nothing. I think. We didn't get any interesting files. Only DevOps user and MMADO user and root user. We have to get the right DevOps, and we will find. I'm showing find option user DevOps. We have to find what else DevOps user have access for the files. Just find. We have 5 or more file have DevOps access. Just go to SRV antivirus py. DevOps have Python file access. Just go to the file. Get antivirus. It's a Python file. What is in that? It's a read and write. No problem. We can edit this one. Open. It's just open and write something. Okay, no problem. Maybe we should edit this Python file with our reverse shell, reverse Python payload, and we will get a reverse shell. I'm using I think Python monkey. I think so. Python reverse shell. Just search Python reverse shell equals pentest monkey. Yeah, this is a good one. Cheat sheet. The reverse shell cheat is pentest monkey is a really good one. Just go to this website. Just copy the code. Just copy. Nano. Okay, just edit. I don't want this first line. Just hide this one. Just paste the script. Yeah, and we have to change the LGhost IP address. I'm going to change the IP address. Is my local machine IP. IP is 168.1.3 and port is 123. Okay, let's save this one. Yep, it's almost done. Let me. Everything is right. 1.3, 120, 1234. Let me listen. NC-L and VP1234. Just wait for. Sometimes it's not opening. Maybe I should restart the machine, and then only I will get the machine. Just restart. And also we can use MSF Venom to get write our own Python reverse shell, because that one is created by someone. We can use MSF Venom -p cmd unix reverse _ python. Lhost is my local IP address 1.3. Lport is my local IP port 1234. We can enter anything 123. Just enter R. It's our own Python reverse shell. That one is someone, right? If you don't like someone, you can use MSF Venom also. Okay, let me restart this machine. Maybe just close this one. Just start again. Yeah, the machine is a little bit slow. Okay, no problem. It's starting. Yeah, I think you see that, right? We got reverse shell. Who am I? We are in DevOps. Boom, we got a machine. Here we have our own Python. You just copy and paste to that antivirus.py file. Let me do sudo -l. I think we have a sudo option, but it's a pipe. We can able to get root access with the pipe. I have some idea with fake pipe too. We can get root access. Just search fake pipe. You will get the code in GitHub. And also every link in my description tab. No worry about this. Okay, here is the code. Okay, yeah, final. Okay, that's good. I didn't try this one. This is my first time in a fake pipe. Just copy this one. Just copy the code. This is my other tab. And git clone. Git clone URL. Okay, just enter. It's cloning the script. Yeah. Okay, let me start with my HTTP server because I have to download this setup.php file here to my remote machine, remote Victor machine. That's why I started my local HTTP server. And where is that? No, I think I am doing wrong. Here it's a local machine. Let me check. Everything is working fine. Yeah, it's downloading. No worry about it. It's working good. Go to the remote user. Just copy this one. I'm using wget to download the file. Okay, just enter. It's access needed. I think we are in some other folder. I think so. Yeah, I think we are in root file. Maybe that's why it's we are not able to access. Let me go to the DevOps. I hate this option. Maybe we go to use shell. Okay, just wait. Okay, I hate this one. I just download the setup.py. Let me go to that fake pipe. Let me copy this one. Just copy, paste. It's a flag2, cat flag2.txt. Maybe it's take some time. It's running, I think. Yep, it's running. I'm not good at this one. It's a privilege escalation. This is my first time in a fake pipe. I don't know how to use. Let me try this. Nothing it's happened. Who am I? Nothing. The file was downloaded, no problem. Everything is correct, but what happened? I didn't get the root access. I don't know how to use this fake pipe. Nothing interesting. Nothing happened. LS, nothing. Hash, nothing. Oh my god, let me restart again. Shit. Just restart the machine. Then only we can get the shell. That's why. My god, everything is good. What happened with the privilege escalation? I don't know. I'm still stuck at this. Yep. Okay. Yeah, we got a shell. Okay. Go to the DevOps. Less. I think it's looking good, but no, it's a problem. Just edit. I think I have to edit something in this code. Maybe I should go to Vim setup. Shell import pty span. Maybe I just get a shell because we are in some bash. That's why we didn't get to. I just write the script. I will show you that. Let me download this one. Okay, just run the script. We are in now TTY shell. It's a good one. Okay, let me run this one. I don't know what to do with that, just simply how to use. I just mentioned, just enter this one. Okay, so uninstalling, it's installing fake pip. Okay, everything is good. But what happened? I didn't get the root access, right? I don't know what is the problem, why it's happening. I'm in live session, but why I'm stuck at this one? I don't know. Why am I? Why am I nothing? LS. I don't know what is the problem. I'm just stuck. Okay. Thing happened. I thought it will take some time to get the root access, but it's the code is running, but we got nothing. Maybe we should check what is in the setup.py. Maybe just wait for a couple of seconds. We got nothing. It's really boring, yaar. What happened with this privilege equation? Nothing happened. Oh my god. LS, nothing. I got nothing. Okay, again I have to start. Again I have to restart the machine. Okay, no problem with that. Just restart. Every time I just break the connection, I have to restart and have to get the machine. Okay, let me start. This is code. Everything is good. Once, okay, I think netcad. Okay, reverse shell. We have to use a NC option. Then only we can get reverse shell. I didn't know about that. Okay, there is big mistake. That is really big mistake. NC LVP 443. Okay, let me edit the code. We get a shell. LS DevOps. Python. Just copy and paste it. Okay, what is in there? Maybe change this. Maybe we should change the R host. I think so. I don't know. I always change the L host option, but when setup.py, R host is remote host. I think so. I'm not good at this fake pipe. Let me edit this to 3. 3 is my host name. I think 3 is mine, but R host is 15, right? I don't know what about this thing happened. Okay, everything is good. Okay, good. So it's just a Python script. Okay, let me save. Just remove the setup.py. First run the python shell.py. Okay, let me download my new setup.py. I hope 1.3 is good. I think because we have to get the shell, that's why I put 1.3. Maybe I just edit 15. 15 is our host. Okay, let me try hello host. Okay, next time we will edit hello host option. I have no idea what I have to do with the fake pip. Fake pip only our last hope. Okay, everything is correct. Let me save this one. I'm just checking the code. Is there any wrong bit in the code? Everything is correct. Reversal, everything it's good. Okay. Okay, let me run. Let me first download that setup.py. Okay, let me paste the sudo option with the pip option, pipe option. And CLVP listening is started. Okay, no problem with this. Just copy this one and paste. My god, what happened? Nothing. Okay, it's uninstalling. Oh, what happened? Pipe installed successfully, but we didn't get the reversal. Oh my god. Circuit error. Maybe I think I have to insert L host also. It's a circuit error. It's a connection error, I think. Oh my god, it's almost 30 minutes completed, but I didn't get the privilege escalation. Oh my god, still stuck at this mission. Listening is 443 is starting, but I didn't get a reversal. Okay, maybe I should edit the code again. Then setup py. Let me edit the host. Localhost is my IP address 168.1.3. Remote is 1-15. Okay, everything is good. I hope it will work. I think. Let me save this document file and let me clear that one. Just download new setup.py. Run the sudo. Oh my god, got lot of errors. I think I'm missing something. Oh my god, I didn't get a reversal. Got lot of error also. Let me clear everything. Again I have to download new fake.ip and I will try again. Where is the git clone? Oh my god. Fake pip. I just stuck at this one. Just copy this. Git clone. Again git clone. Okay. cd fake pip. I have no idea what is the error. Oh my god, that one is that is why it's not downloading. Oh my god, again I have to restart the machine. idea what is the problem. What is the problem with fake IP? Let me start again. Every time if the connection is problem, I have to restart my VirtualBox. This is a big issue. Let me start with my Python symbol HTTP. Okay, started. Python shell.py. Okay, then we just edit the simple code. It's downloading. Same thing, we got nothing. I think script is okay, but I didn't get a reverse shell. Okay, last time we got more errors, but now it's a new script, that's why we got nothing, no error. I think so. Maybe I just edit the script. Fake pip. No idea what is going on with the fake pip. Okay, let me close this one. I tried everything, but I didn't get a privilege escalation. Maybe I just tried to change this option. Maybe I just try rhost is my IP. Maybe that is the only one final option. Because first time I changed, but I didn't try with the rhost. I just changed to victim IP address. Maybe I just try with my IP address. Then only I will get a reverse shell. Maybe I should try. Okay. Till now I didn't get the machine. Just close this one. Let me restart again. This is the final option. I have no idea. If I didn't get, I have to find. I thought it's a really easy mission. I thought because it's a 2-month-old mission. I think. I hope this time I will get root access. Vim setup.py. Let me edit the rhost. One 92.168.1.3. Okay, I don't have no idea why I put rhost is my IP. Okay, let me go to the home. DevOps, and let me run shell.py. Okay, I don't want setup.py file, just remove that one, old one. Just download the new file. The new file is downloaded. Let me run with sudo. Okay, let's take some time. Same thing happened. Maybe I should check with my. Oh my god, we got a root access. I have no idea why I get the root access because I enter rhost is 1.3. That is my mission IP. But why this code like this? I don't know. How I got the machine, but I enter 1.3. My god, I got root text. Thank you guys. I have no clue about this. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe.